Hello my dear future doctor. Grandhas is now before you with yet another easy trip to crack your NEET exam. Yes, of course, a very important topic in NEET is nothing but the cranial nerve. Today we are going to learn all the cranial nerves in the chronological order and its nature with just 5 minutes. Now let's learn what are cranial nerves. Cranial nerves are a set of 12 paired nerves that arise directly from the brain. So the very important point to be noted is they are 12 paired nerves. Okay, they are 12 paired nerves that arise directly from the brain. Out of which the first 2 nerves they arise from the cerebrum, whereas the remaining 10 emerging from the brain stem. Let's learn one by one. Cranial nerves, as we said, they are 12 paired in number. The first one, olfactory. Second one, optic. Third one, oculomotor. Fourth one, trochlear. Fifth one, trigeminal. Sixth one, abducens. Seventh one, facial. Eighth one, vestibulocochlear. Ninth one, glossopharyngeal. 10th one, vagus. 11th one, accessory. And 12th one, hypoglossal. You might be wondering, how can you learn these topics without change in order? Because for the NEET exam, you'll be getting a question like this. The 3rd, 7th and 11th cranial nerves are. In the option, all the cranial nerves will be given jumbled. So you need to remember chronologically. Don't worry, here is a beautiful tip. Just close your eyes and just keep in mind a very good velvet. Wow, what a feel to touch and feel that velvet. So that is the sentence that we are going to remember. Please open up your eyes. The sentence is like this. Oh, to touch and feel velvet gives very amazing happiness. How is it? Oh, to touch and feel velvet gives very amazing happiness. Let's see. O, olfactory. O, optic. O, oculomotor. 2, trochlear. Again, touch, trigeminal. And A for abducens. F for facial. V for vestibulo. G for glossopharyngeal. V for vagus. A for accessory. And H for hypoglossal. You might be wondering, there are 3 O's. How can I learn it? Again, just remember one scenario. You are sitting and studying in a room, and your favorite chicken is being cooked at your home in the kitchen. Can you see the kitchen first, or can you smell the chicken first? Yes, you are going to smell it first. That is, olfactory is going to work first and then optic. So olfactory, optic and then oculomotor. Hope you have got the idea. Now we're going to learn the nature of these nerves. Some of the nerves, they are sensory. Some of the nerves, they are motor. Whereas some of the nerves, they are mixed. How can we remember that? A simple technique. Just one sentence. Some say money matter, but my brother says big books matter more. Here we have to take the first letter alone. If it is yes, that is sensory. If it is M, that is motor. And if it is B, that is both, that is mixed. So I repeat, some say money matter, but my brother says big books matter more. Now I believe you have got it. That is all with cranial nerves. Hope you have studied the 12th pair of cranial nerves. Be with Grandhas, subscribe our channel, be a winner.